Hello again. It's time for Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English. And today we're looking at the preposition with. Now you can use with to describe a person's body. For example, a small boy with red hair came into the shop. A small boy with red hair came into the shop. Lisa is a pretty girl with blue eyes. Lisa is a pretty girl with blue eyes. You can also use with before something that we use in order to do something. For example, you clean your teeth with a toothbrush. You clean your teeth with a toothbrush. You open a tin with a tin opener. You open a tin with a tin opener. I cleaned the table with a cloth. I cleaned the table with a cloth. You eat your dinner with a knife and fork. You eat your dinner with a knife and fork. Unless you live in Asia, in which case you eat your dinner with chopsticks. Wonderful. English grammar, prepositions with, easy peasy. Is it dinner time? We'll see you next time on Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.